My name is Gary Bergen, and I've been a Good Nature organic lawn care customer for approximately 3 years. Will I get that immediate green effect? How will the lawn react? How will the changes be accepted by the soil or by the turf? But once it does green up after Good Nature applies their organic application, it stays much greener much longer. I do not have to water as often. I seem to have a reduction in disease. One of the major changes I've seen is worms, which to me is very exciting. Plenty of birds in the lawn. Haven't seen that for years. I would tell them to think very seriously about making the change, especially if they have children or pets. I feel very safe with the application, and it doesn't make sense to me when a chemical application is made and people are instructed to not walk on the lawn. That was my first indication that, wow, what's being put down.